Hi everyone! The Eagle and Condor Collective is still continuing with the Circle of Life project. There is more art and nature kit available. For more info, please email Marge, or you can visit the website for more info. And then you can order an art nature kit for an adult or for a family. I got an example here for an art kit for family, so let's have a look what's inside. So here you have a sketchbook. This is a quality paper sketchbook where you can use for pencil, pastel, charcoal, crayon, or ink. Here you go. So you got the sketchbook. Also you have a transparent tray, a recycled one, so it can be reusable. Also there is a set of 24 pencils, color pencils. There is more. Here we have a set of watercolor, washable watercolor. Oh, you have an eraser, a sharpener, looks like a marker, where you can do interesting design with it. You also have a pencil and a brush for you to use. And that's it. So you can request a kit by emailing Eagle and Condor Collective at gmail.com, or simply visit the website at www.eagleandcondorcollective.com for more info. Thank you.